Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing tuna melt stuffed tomatoes. So what you're going to need for this is 4 about medium-sized tomatoes, and 2 cans of tuna fish, half a cup of mayo, and half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to say a cup of cheese, give or take. I like a lot of cheese, so I might put more on it, maybe, or they may take me less, so let's give it a little take. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on top of the tomatoes before we put them in there. So let's go ahead and get this going and see how it all turns out and see if you guys like it. Alright, here we go. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our tomato core and take that core part off, put it in there, then we'll take the knife. I've already rinsed these tomatoes, so you want to make sure you rinse the tomatoes. So I'm going to put that in there. And we'll just take the our spoon, and we're gonna scoop out the middle part here. Making a nice cup. Alright, so I'm just gonna get that scooped out. So as you can see, it's like a nice old cup. I'll drain that out. I'm going to go ahead and get the other 3 tomatoes done, and then we'll move on to the next step of doing the tuna part. So I'll see you guys shortly. Okay guys, I got the 4 tomatoes scooped out. They look pretty good there. As you can see, good middle, good little cup in there for that, so they should taste good. So the next step we're going to do is take our 2 cans of tuna. Now I normally use tuna in spring water when I do my cooking, but I actually grabbed up the wrong pack of tuna fish, and I got it with the vegetable oil, but I was doing some reading while I was preparing for this recipe, and I read somewhere, I don't know how true it is, but we'll find out, that the one put in vegetable oil actually works better for this recipe. So we got 2 cans of tuna, and gonna half a cup of the mayonnaise, Get that in there. Alright. Mix in our half teaspoon onion powder. So we get all that good in there. Now the half a teaspoon of the garlic powder. Right. Set that over there. And we'll give this a good stir. Make sure it's all mixed in really good. Alright, now we just take the tuna fish and scoop it right on in the tomatoes here. Alright, so get it all just about right. Yeah, just alright. Let's put that right there. Yeah. Alright, so there we go. Okay guys, we'll just open up our bag. I got the 2-cup bag of mozzarella cheese, but you can put your own favorite kind of cheese on here. But I figured the mozzarella might work a little bit better on it. Now you want a half a cup to a cup of it. Alright, now next little step is we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of the olive oil on top. Now I have the oven preheating to 400 degrees, so we're gonna put this in for 20 minutes. The top should be nice and golden brown, so let's go ahead and put that in here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that here. So I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay guys, these have warmed up just a little bit. Cooked them for 20 minutes, 400 degrees in the oven. They turned out great. Just look how nice and they look. It's toasty brown on the top. Just perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to grab one of these. This one's kind of coming apart, so we'll take it. Just look at that. So it actually split a little bit right there, so go ahead and cut this open and see how it turned out here. Well, the cheese there. All right, well, see if I can get it cut. Okay, here we go. Oh gosh, this is really good. Level cheese is perfect, but it wouldn't hurt to put any more on it. You can never have too much cheese, you know. Tuna has a good flavor. It's doing great with the tomato and the cheese. I just want to scarf it all right down right now. All right. So this was the tuna melt. Tuna melt stuffed tomato. Tastes really good. Enjoy it. Boy. It worked great for a dinner party. Well guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Take time to comment below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get one out on Saturday morning. And I also will do sightseeing and adventure videos and some taste test videos as well. Guys, hope you enjoy those. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I want you guys to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'll catch you on the next video. I'm going to finish enjoying this tomato. This is good. Mm.